So welcome back, and in this tutorial I'll do some cleanup, and after the cleanup I'll show you something really interesting, and I'm sure you'll like it. So let me start with the cleanup. First of all, let's put the points to 100 as it was before, and set state total of 100. Even the set restart game points 100. And let me even remove this lottery 0. I don't want to show people what the correct output is. And we can do it from, where was it? Lottery number, here it is. Okay, so not this one, this is wrong. It was in the, yeah, game block. Okay, so this works, and then let me just try to do it. H3 style margin left 20. Let's see how it looks. Not bad. Okay, this works as we expect it to work, and everything is looking nice. Okay, perfect. So let's go to the thing which I wanted to show you. So we are going to do some animation, and we will be taking help of this project, which is already completed by Elena Moral. So here is the HTML. This project includes like styles and HTML, everything, and it will look something like this. So look at this thing. In the HTML, we'll take this HTML and place it in our code. We will place it in the parent component. At this point I can do it, it doesn't matter. So name. Alright, now let's copy the styling. So styling will be in the assets, I guess. Styles, except the body, I'll take everything. And let us see the magic. Didn't work the way we expected. Alright, so let's see what's wrong. Section, back, height, I guess this is the issue. We don't want the height. We do want the height. And I see what the issue is. It's because we have the section, this one in the container, and it should be here, and it doesn't work as we expect. So we might have to take this thing off. Overflow hidden, we don't want this. Section is okay. Background cover, position relative is alright. Width 100% is something what we expect. Overflow hidden. Height is okay. It should work as we expect, but for some reason it isn't, so we will take a look why. Alright, things are getting really bad. Game over. Class name, Snow1, Snow2. Okay, this is looking as expected. Let us try to remove the section. Let's see how it works. Okay, it is working as expected, so we don't really need the sections. I guess, yeah, that is the thing. Let me try to remove the height as well. So, height to 100 bh. Okay, this works good. What is the next thing? Next thing is, alright, this looks good. I can put the same thing even in, let me try that to make it like mobile view. It should work as expected though. Something broke and I know why. And let me fix it really quick. Okay, we have this outside. I'll tidy it up. Okay, this won't work as we expected because it's supposed to be in a row. And where was it? Okay, it is here. Game over. No, not this one. Okay, it's in a container. But anyway, this should work. We can make it working. We don't want to waste time into it. So yeah, this is the complete project which we have for lottery. And let us know if you have any suggestions of how these videos are. This is my first try. Like this channel we started as a trial, not a trial, but I have very less expertise in teaching, but I really like teaching. So let me know how it's going, what kind of modifications you guys want, and I'll try to deliver the best that I can. And even if you have some suggestions, do let us know. Our team is working on getting and making new projects, but we would really love to hear from you guys. So, see you in the next tutorial. It's going to be pretty soon. Thank you and have a good week. Bye.